Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special for local business owner and obviously any kind of business. It could be online or offline. Today I will show you how to add your business, Google business. Okay, so you might know what is the Google business, and if you don't know, so I will show you what is this. So when you search on Google, so we can see the right side of the Google search bar. The business location, their images, social icon, their contact address, like this. So here is the final results. La Dental Clinic, Los Angeles. Okay, this is the company name and this is the location name. So when I search on this, and here you can see the right section, this is the example. Okay, this is the perfect example. So La Dental Clinic, they have some images, locations, the Google reviews, which is very important, and addresses and their hours, and product and service, website, phone number. Here you can see the products. Okay, display product is 2, but you can see all the products, and if you scroll down you can see the reviews also, and just scroll down and you can see the profile. I mean their Instagram, Facebook profile. They have included only Facebook profile. So in this tutorial I will show you step by step how we can do this for your business. Or so if you are a professional, you can do as well as. So this is very powerful for local SEO. Okay, you know, when someone searches on dental clinic Los Angeles or La Dental, it could be very powerful. Just go to google.com/business/. So we just need to sign in here. Okay, so I am going to sign in my account powerful tutorials. You can see, so I will add this. Okay, so this is my account powerful tutorials. So this is my business name. So let's continue it. Powerful tutorials. Choose your business type. What type it is? Is it a online retail, local store, service business? What is this? So if you have a online retail, just tick mark. If you have a local store, tick mark. Local service business, tick mark. So I will tick mark this service business. So your business makes visit to customers. So I'm going to select service based, and next, enter a business category, help customers discover your business. In this section you have to select your business category. Okay, so when you search this bar, so you can see the lots of business category, like you have a plumbing supply store or a plastic surgery clinic. So lots of categories here. So you have to just select your business. So if you are a clothing store, just select clothing store, clothing supplier, clothing wholesaler. So I'm going to select education center, as I am providing some sort of freelancing video stuff like this, like web design, lead generation tutorials, and how to make money online. So why do you serve your customers? So if you are online business and it's the whole country, so you don't need to select this. Or if you have a local store and you have a particular area service, you can select your service. Okay, if you don't want to add here, no problem, just next. What region is your business based in? So I'm going to select my country. And what contact details do you want to show your customers? Click next, and you will see this. You must provide either a phone number or a website address. Okay, so if you don't want to add your phone number, so you must add your website. So if you have a both, you can add phone number as well as website. So right now I don't want to add any phone number, so I'm just going to add my YouTube channel as a website. So I don't know what will happen here. So just input this and just click on next. So that's good, it's my YouTube channel and it works as well as my website. So just continue. So this section is very important because I have to verify my address. So country or region, Bangladesh, and I have to input my street address. So you have to put your address, and because it's a postcard, and here you can see have a postcard with your code mailed to this address. So this address is very important. It should be correct, and your contact name, and the Google will mail to you in this address. So just check this address correction. So just mail. Okay, click on mail. Postcard is on its way. You will get postcard with your verification code, and next step in about 14 days. So this is my name and this is my business name. So click on continue. So we can customize this profile. Okay, I can add my services and add business hours. So you can add your business hours. So just skip this, accept message, skip. Okay, add business description. So you can add your business description. So I'm going to collect some information and add photos of your business. Okay, this is the example. Okay, so you can upload your product photo or your store photos or any kind of photos that's related to your business, so you can advertise your ad. So I don't want to, this is the advertise section. I don't want to add this. Your edits will be visible once you are verified, and it will be visible to customers or any kind of Google search results. Your verification postcard should be arrived within 14 days. Use the code want it to the finish verifying. So not publicly visible, you can see this. And service areas Bangladesh website, and I didn't add anything like mobile phone number or hours address. I hope you can do it yourself, and it's very easy and simple, and it's very important for any kind of business, local or online business. So after 14 days I will come back and I will show you how to verify this business. Okay, so till then, have a good day, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.